David, this one's for you. Metallica, Ride the Lightning. Thank you, David, for always being a part of Reaction Therapy, supporting our mission of mental health awareness to the world, and being the most attended person in live streams I've ever seen in my life. Thank you for that. Without further ado, it is Metallica, Ride the Lightning. Yep. Love the long intro. Uh-oh. Oh. This sounds like Ride the Lightning, and it's like about, there's the picture on the album cover there, it looks like, of the electric chair and lightning that's electrocuting the chair and death. Here we go. Oh boy, who are you to tell me that's where I gotta go? Man, this is terrible. Oh no. Yep.
Someone help me. Please God help me. They're trying to take it all away. I don't want to die.
Yeah. God, listen to that guitar. Yeah. Man, this is awesome. Still going. I couldn't stop that. I could not stop that because it was too good. That long of a guitar solo. Where have those gone, by the way? Only with the great metal bands, I think those are. To have the switch ups there and to do it that long, you can't interrupt that. I've interrupted that before and gotten yelled at. I'm not interrupting that because it's too good.
Someone help me. Oh, please, God, help me. They're trying to take it all away. I don't want to die.
Yep. Man, it's like another song.
Time moving slow. The minutes seem like hours.
Yep.
The final curtain call I see. How true is this? Just get it over with. If this is true, just let it be. Wake in my heart spring. Free from this blinding dream. Flash before my eyes. Now it's time to die. Burning in my brain, I can feel the
Man, the drums and the guitar. Man, that was intense. Metallica, Ride the Lightning. David, thank you for the request. Whew, I'm exhausted. I don't want to die. I don't want to die. God, everybody, please. I don't want to die. This is painful. Every minute that goes by is torture. I'm sweating. My hands can't stand it. They're tingling. Please let me out of this chair. That would be me for sure. Thank you. Oh, leave your comments and go get some mental health. After this, I'm good. I feel good now.